All right, guys, I've got something special for you here. I've just put this together and we're going to show some B-roll here in a second of the assembly process. I did put this whole thing together, so, kiss IKEA goodbye because you can do all your great furniture shopping on Amazon. And I can attest to this was very easy to follow. There are a lot of screws, a lot of parts, but they make it very simple because they letter and number everything, and it's very clear knowing which screws go to what. So that was super easy to use. They also have two hex tools that allow you to screw everything in. Everything you need is with those two tools. So what we have is we have a fabric drawer, and I like that. It's just flexible. It goes with the nightstand, but it kind of keeps it lighter. I think it looks really good. It's also less likely to have problems, and it's a little more flexible. The thing I like the most about it is you have this port. You have a charging port with two USBs and two regular outlet plugs. And I think that's actually the coolest thing about it. Again, I'm no furniture person, and this was super easy to put together. I'm really excited to have this by my bed. I'll probably do another video showing you it actually installed by my bed. But as you're seeing right now, I put it together. I leisurely put it together while I was watching a soccer game. Probably took me about, I would say like a half hour. I just kind of leisurely did it. I think if you're a professional at this, you could maybe do it 15 or 20 minutes. But this is the Vrissa nightstand. I'm excited to use it. It's really sturdy. It's super level too. Like you never know when you screw these all in, is it going to be level? Is it going to have some wobble? There's no wobble here. So I'm excited to use this next to my bed. If you're on this page, I think you should give it a try.